for the heart of the national capital. The strategically important New Delhi constituency has seen stalwarts like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lal Krishna Advani and Ajay Maken contest from it. It is the oldest seat in New Delhi. It houses the power corridors of India. A victory in New Delhi means a key to the seat of the world's largest democracy. The throne of power, the core of our republic, the thrust of Indian democracy. This iconic boulevard has seen it all, defining mandates, alliances rising to power, governments falling and prime ministers running the country from here, the centre of New Delhi. One of the capital's 7 constituencies, New Delhi is home to over 14 lakh voters, including high-profile electors like the President, the Prime Minister, judges and senior leaders who form one of India's most educated electorates. It was in the late 1970s, when the Janata Party was on the rise, that Atal Bihari Vajpayee wrested the all-important seat from the Congress soon after the emergency. His closest confidant and India's former Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani contested from New Delhi soon after in 1989 during the peak of the Ram Mandir movement. From Ajay Maken in the early 2000s to Meenakshi Lekhi holding the fort for the BJP in the last decade, it has been a direct contest between the BJP and the Congress until Delhi's Aam Aadmi entered the fray. Despite Kejriwal's back-to-back electoral victories in the state and local polls, his party is yet to dent the BJP's prospects in the Lok Sabha. This time, it's a battle between lawyers. The Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party are in alliance in Delhi, and New Delhi is being contested by the Aam Aadmi Party. From the AAP is the man who fought for the Anna Andolan in the courts, Supreme Court lawyer and a sitting MLA from New Delhi's Malviya Nagar, Somnath Bharti. The task is cut out for the party heavyweight to defend his boss in prison and broom up his party's tattered image in the run-up to the polls.
This time the election has a different color altogether. The way the election took place in 19 and 14, this time the reasons, the purpose, the focus is entirely different. The way BJP crushed opposition, the way they took away the rights of Delhi government, the way they tried to demolish the democratic fabric of the nation, all will be addressed in this election. So people of Delhi want accountability from central government. All these members of parliament of BJP in last 10 years, they did not say a word. When rights of people of Delhi were being snatched by central government, they did not say a word. BJP understands. Ajit Pawar, whom Honorable Prime Minister himself accused of 70,000 crores loot, he is in BJP. So BJP has a new washing machine. So now he is pure. Chhagan Bhujbal, who was jailed and remained in jail for 1 year on charges of corruption, he joined BJP. Now he is pure. You know, Suvendu Adhikari, Himanta Sharma, n number of people. So new washing machine in the market. BJP, which is to purify people, people do see कौन काम करता है, कौन नामदार है, कौन कामदार है.
In a radical political move, the BJP has unseated 6 of its 7 contentious sitting MPs from Delhi. From hate speech accused Parvesh Verma and Ramesh Biduri to the controversial MP Gautam Gambhir, the BJP's big Delhi leaders have all been dropped. From New Delhi, the BJP has fielded a fresh face. BJP veteran Sushma Swaraj's daughter, 40-year-old Bansuri Swaraj. A political debutante, Bansuri Swaraj is a lawyer like both her parents, boasting of an illustrious legal career.
There is no question of legacy. I can tell you that the people of Delhi have unwavering faith in Modi ki guarantee. Whether it was abrogation of Article 370, whether it was construction of a grand Ram temple in Ayodhya ji, whether it was bringing 33% reservation in favor of women in both Vidhan Sabha and Parliament by passing of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. These are all promises which were enunciated in our manifesto, and they have been absolutely fulfilled. These are union elections. And therefore I think the voter also, the perspective is broader. We're talking about women-led development of a Viksit Bharat. So of course my vision resonates with his.
The fact that most of the sitting BJP MPs were removed, how do you look at that? Do people here, you see, were sort of disillusioned by the MPs of your party, your predecessors?
No, not at all. Not at all. हमारी पार्टी में टिकट कटते नहीं हैं, टिकट मिलते हैं, और हमारे यहाँ पद नहीं होते, दायित्व होते हैं.
Delhi has nearly 1.5 lakh first-time voters, and among them are thousands of young students in one of the country's biggest coaching hubs in New Delhi's Rajendra Nagar. In election season, this nerve center of UPSC aspirants is bustling with politics.
अगर हम कंट्री वाइड बात करेंगे तो इसमें नो डाउट जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैंडिडेट होते हैं, चूँकि ये लोकसभा का इलेक्शन है, उन्हीं के नाम पे वोटिंग होती है. लेकिन अगर आप मेरे व्यू की बात करेंगे तो आप अपने कंस्टिट्यूएंसी और प्लस जो आपके जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं रिगार्डिंग कंस्टिट्यूएंसी, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उस चीज़ को भी ध्यान में रख के वोटिंग करनी चाहिए. अब जैसे कि एज ए स्टूडेंट वी आर फेसिंग अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट.
पॉलिटिकल लीडर हर रोज़ मतलब पार्टियाँ बदल रहे हैं. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कितनी पार्टियाँ, बड़ी बड़ी पार्टी के लीडर जो जैसे महाराष्ट्र में लीडर हो गए, राजस्थान में लीडर हो गए. मतलब ये कुछ ट्रांसपेरेंसी और एक लीडर की कुछ अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं बची है. वो एक इलेक्शन में इधर, एक इलेक्शन में उधर. आजकल जैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बॉडी की जितना वो गरिमा गिरती जा रही है, तो एक सोसाइटी का जो सोसाइटी बन रही है रिलीजन के बेसिस पे या कास्ट के बेसिस पे, ये पिछले कुछ सालों में या 1-2 डेकेड में बढ़ा है अभी. क्योंकि अगर आज देखो, आज के टाइम में अगर कोई अपनी कोई बात रखना चाहता है, अगर कोई प्रोटेस्टर है या कोई और भी है, अगर वो अपनी बात रखता है तो उसे एज ए एंटी नेशनल घोषित कर दिया जाता है उसी टाइम. वो मेनली पार्लियामेंट में जो हो रहा है, पार्लियामेंट की प्रोसीडिंग अगर हम भी देखते हैं तो पार्लियामेंट की प्रोसीडिंग में अगर उसका वो देखिए कि कितनी एफिशिएंसी है, वो एफिशिएंसी आ ही नहीं रही है.
I feel cleanliness is the first thing they should think about. I feel the streets are not very clean. All these dogs here, it's very scary. The cost of living is very high. Since I am from Tamil Nadu, I see the cost of living is very high, almost double.
From deadly pollution to toxic landfills and the sanitation mess, even as Delhi grapples with these long-standing issues, it is left without a chief minister. The arrest of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ahead of the big general elections has left the Aam Aadmi Party without its star campaigner and biggest face. The contest for the coveted New Delhi seat is a prestige battle, both for the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP. Many political pundits say that the BJP, which has unseated 6 of its 7 sitting MPs here in Delhi, is nervous of the Aam Aadmi Party, which has defeated the BJP both in state elections as well as municipal polls. But these are national elections. Can the big message of brand Modi, national security and Vishwa Guru trump local issues like sanitation and air pollution? That is a big question. In New Delhi with camera person Kanan Patra, Vedant for NDTV.